Hi friends, how are you all doing? Hope you all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's good to be back again. I have two parts unboxing. One is from Chanel and the other one is from Hermes. The first one from Chanel is not a true unboxing because I already recorded this video a few weeks back, and unfortunately the microphone, something was wrong with it. For the first few seconds there was like a little screech in the beginning part, only lasted 3 seconds, but I wasn't so happy with it, and I already ordered another item from Hermes, so I was like, well, I'm just gonna do it with the Hermes unboxing. The Hermes unboxing is a true unboxing, but I already know what it is, so let's get into it. So when I went to the boutique sometime in April to repair my card holder, I browsed around to look at the card holders that they had available. um, I mean, the backpacks, not card holders. And I found one that I really liked, and I told my essay that when I'm ready, I would reach out to her again so that I can purchase it. So I slept on it, and talked to my sister about it as well. And she was like, you might as well just go ahead and buy it now because, as we all know, Chanel usually have all their price increase, and I think they already had one for this year. So I was like, I better just go ahead and buy it now if I'm interested in still buying this before it becomes at a price point where I'm not interested in paying retail for, unless I was gonna buy from the pre-loved market. So when I wanted to purchase, I asked my essay to send me a couple of styles of the backpacks that they had available. I really was torn between the mini cargo version, like I call it cargo. I don't think that's what it's called, because it has like side pockets and then front pockets. So it kind of reminds me of like the cargo um, style. So I was really torn between that and this one that I got. But what really made me get this one was that the mini version has little room in there. I mean, you could probably not fit a whole lot of stuff in there. So I decided that I don't think I want to pay that much money and not be able to use it as much as I would love to. So even though it was so cute, and trust me, if I was to add another backpack from Chanel to my collection, I would probably go for like that particular style because it's so cute. The one I also got is also cute. So let's get into it. So, like I said, it's not a true unboxing. I already knew what it was because I asked her to send me the link so I could purchase it because I didn't go back to the store. So she sent me the payment link. I paid for it, and she had it shipped over to my house. So let me show it to you guys, and hopefully you will love it too. All right. So of course it comes nicely packaged, and I already removed all the additional paper stuff on the bag because it came pretty wrapped up. And so this is it. Comes in the dust bag, and in the box they have this Chanel booklet in there. I never read it. I just put it in the box. All right, let's get into it. Can you guys guess what color I got? Well, I decided to get something classic because, I mean, they have tons of colors. I wouldn't say tons, maybe like the ones that I saw my essay sent. She sent me in blue, pink, white, and comes in black as well. And then this very color that I got. But I wanted to get a classic color as well because someday, if my daughter is into all these handbags, it will be hers. So I wanted a color that it's classic and she probably will like as well. So let's get into it. This is she. So this is the beige color, I believe. Yeah, and I really like it. What really sold me on this backpack, this particular style, is because of the size. It's pretty. It's not big, but it's not too small. So it can fit a lot of stuff that I probably would want to add into it. And another reason why I really like it is the chain detail. You can either carry it this way if you don't want to carry it like the backpack version. And if you don't carry it this way, of course, you can just carry it like the backpack. So let's get into all the details. So this is the drawstring, and I think over here you can see the CC logo on this little hardware, and this is the gold hardware, by the way. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. And on this particular spot here, they have the Chanel name on there. So let's open it up. This is I believe my receipt. Okay. And also it comes with I believe this is the tag, or like the receipt thing that you scan, the barcode. Yeah. So on it, it says is the 24S. I think 24S is the series, like 2024. I think that's what that means. And it says backpack gold. And on the other side, it says dark beige, and the barcode that you scan, and also the price on there. And over here, I guess it's my receipt. So I'm gonna put that away. And like I said, guys, this backpack is very roomy. I mean, I'm so happy I decided to get this one, because I don't have to worry about, is it going to fit all the stuff that I needed to fit, you know. So it's not too small and it's not too big. I don't think it's too big. So I think it's the perfect size, something that I've been wanting and looking for. So I'm so glad I was able to get it. So more tissue. And the inside looks like this. Let's see. It comes with a zip pocket. So I guess you could put stuff in there. And then there's this pocket here too. Well, it doesn't have any zip. And let's see what else. I guess this right here is the chip. And right here, I guess, keychain or something. Then, oh yeah, it also has this back pocket. It could fit a phone. It could fit little card holder too. So that's nice. Yeah, that's all there is to her, I guess. But like I said, I really love this color. I'm so happy I got in this color. It's a neutral color that will go with a lot of outfits. And I hope you guys like it as much as I do. And let's move on. Let's move on to the next unboxing. So this is from Hermes, and I know if you've been watching my videos, you remember when I got the Kelly belt in the black with the rose gold hardware. I'd mentioned that I have my eye on the gold Kelly belt with the gold hardware. So it's not available on their website, and last time I went into the boutique, they didn't have it available. They only had the gold with the silver hardware or the rose gold hardware, but I really wanted the gold hardware, not the rose gold or silver. So I reached out to my essay. Oh my gosh, I was so excited when she said she will try and see if she can get it for me. And then a few days later, she was able to find it. So she sent me the payment link. I went ahead to pay for that, and it did ship out And then on the box where it shipped from, it looked like it came from the Hawaii boutique. So I was so excited that she was able to find it for me in the colorway that I really wanted. So that really made me happy. So guys, I haven't opened it, so this is gonna be me seeing it for the first time, just as you guys are seeing it too as well. So this is the box, and of course this is her probably my receipt in there. Let's see. We hope you love your new Hermes product. Okay, I guess a little note from Hermes, and this is my receipt. Yeah, it's shipped from the Hawaii Ala Moana. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, in Honolulu, Hawaii. So let's get into the unboxing. All right, and I already know it's gonna come with the dust bag and the two little cute dust bags that go on the hardware. And yes, so oh my gosh, love it already. I've been wanting this gold Kelly belt with the gold hardware, and I'm so glad I reached out to my essay when I did, and she was able to find it. This is just, I don't know how to describe it. It's just beautiful. I mean, I've already planned out outfits. My black Kelly belt with my rose gold hardware, I wear it all the time. And even though it doesn't go very well with the outfit, and I'm like, oh, I wish I had my gold on gold Kelly belt, I don't care. I would still rock that black with the rose gold hardware. So I'm so glad I got this, and she was able to find it, so I don't put much wear on my other Kelly belt. So guys, another reason why I love this belt, you can wear it on your waist, or you could wear it on you could wear it with your pants, or you could wear it on your waist. So the reason being, it's adjustable. As you can see, this is, I guess, the smallest size, so you can adjust it to whatever length that you want. That way you're able to wear it with your pants. And yeah, that's the beauty of this belt. I think, honestly, I think the black that I have and this gold color, I think I'm good. I don't think not unless they come. I mean, they do have the e-taupe color. I tried the e-taupe on when I went to the boutique. It was okay. I wasn't really thrilled or excited about it, but this right here, the excitement is off the chain. So I was so happy when she was able to find this for me. So like I said, I don't think I have any other colors that I'm interested in purchasing. Let me not be quick to say that, because I trust myself. I'll go into the boutique one day and then I'll see a really nice color and I'm like, oh my gosh, I really need this. Hopefully that's not the case. Anyways, guys, if you do love watching content like this, please subscribe to my channel. To all my subscribers, I love that you're here. I love you watching my videos. I say a big thank you to you all. And if you can share my videos, I will appreciate it too. And until next time, stay blessed. Bye-bye.